Welcome back. We've seen an outpouring of support from across the country for flooding relief. Our Tegna Texas Flood Relief Fund has raised an estimated $350,000 since Monday. Now, this midday, we are grateful to welcome the CEO of Major League Cricket, Johnny Grave, with a special announcement. Johnny, thank you so much for being here. We do appreciate it and certainly appreciate your help. Now, they are stepping up to help those affected by the Central Texas floods. And Johnny, I'll leave it to you to tell us how you are contributing to the cause.
Yeah, look, we were in Florida when the devastation happened, and the league's now moved back to Texas. We've got a home team here called the Texas Super Kings, yes. And we all saw the devastation and wanted to do our little bit, and we made a donation along with the home team, the Texas Super Kings, and the league is actually based here in Grand Prairie, Texas. So yeah, we wanted to, I guess, make a donation and contribution to the relief fund, but also help to raise awareness.
Absolutely, and we know that cricket, this is a growing sport, a lot of fans here in North Texas. And how do you see your community partnerships like this shaping the league's presence in North Texas and across the state, really?
Well, I guess with the T20 World Cup that came here last year to Grand Prairie, it had a huge economic impact for the North Texas region, and the league having its final stages tonight and the big grand final on Sunday is going to be huge. And yeah, the league is growing in America, but we have millions of fans watching around the world. So hopefully on the coverage for this evening's game, the final on Sunday, we can really raise awareness for the donation that we're making and encourage cricket fans all around the world to help and assist.
We have seen donations come in from, yes, across Texas and the U.S., but also Canada and the U.K. And for anyone who is watching worldwide, watching this sport, and they want to join in and with you guys and contributing to Central Texas and those affected by the floods, what can they do?
Well, I think they can certainly join us. We're going to be promoting on the TV coverage this evening on Sunday for the final, and on our social media channels that we've decided to support the Communities Foundation of Texas and their relief fund. And yeah, we're encouraging fans through players and through our ambassadors and through all of our channels to make donations, because it's obviously heartbreaking to see what's happened down there, and yeah, we want to do our bit to help.
Absolutely. Any final thoughts, Johnny, before we let you go?
No, I mean, just as part of the Texas community, we're proud to call Grand Prairie our home, and yeah, I think all of us are touched by the devastation and the heartbreaking news, and yeah, we just want to do our bit to help. And as a growing sport in America, hopefully we can help here, but also help encourage all the worldwide cricket fans to support too.
Absolutely. Well, I know that we are certainly glad that you call Grand Prairie home, and certainly thankful that you are helping those in Central Texas, and they will certainly appreciate it too. Now, before we let you go, while you're still with us, we want to let viewers know that it's also a huge weekend for Major League Cricket. As we've alluded to during our quick interview, the final matches of the season are happening right here in North Texas at Grand Prairie Stadium. Today, the Texas Super Kings take on New York, and the winner goes on to face the Washington Freedom on Sunday. Johnny just spoke about that. Texas still has a shot at the Championship League, and we know fans are excited. Both games start at 7 p.m.